Hey guys, let's make money with AI bots. As you can see, in a few minutes ago on my Binance, I had a deposit of 1,158 from trading. Just today, as you can see, the date and time 2026-06-02-0931, and now you can see on my screen here it's 0946. Okay, just a few minutes ago I made that amount of money into my Binance account. And today on this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can also make passive income trading from home using AI bots on Trexbic.app. Okay, so let's get to it. The first step guys, you need to have a Trexbic account. Okay, and how do you set up one? Simply go to Brave or on Google. As you can see, this is my Trexbic account. I'll go back to dashboard and I'll switch to real account. On my real account I have 61.18 USD. And once you go there, you can also trade with demo. You can try trading with the AI bots using demo account, which they give you about 5,721. Okay, and so the next step guys, you need to click on the three dots here and you need to go to trading bots. So there are paid bots and free bots. As you can see, these all of them are free bots, and there are those that are locked. Like this one, it's locked. You need to upgrade and get it free. Okay, and if you click also on AI, they are free and locked, those that you need to pay to use. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can use this bot called let's find a bot called Claude AI. Claude. Let me search for Claude. You can see Claude AI Signal Trader. It's on Elite required. So I'll upgrade my plan. Let me upgrade my plan. Use this one. See, insufficient balance, you need 30 USDT, but you have 0.06 because I have 60 USD, but my funding wallet has 0, so I need to deposit to use that. But as well guys, I can show you how to trade with the bots, the free bots now, without using those ones. I will show you how to use this one called Pionix Grid Bot. Okay, so I'll just click on copy and then put amount that I want to trade with, let's say 3,000, and you see the return will be not 300, the return will be 337. Okay, so guys, before we use that bot, you need to fund our account. Once I go to crypto wallet and put on real account, you can see we need to fund our account. Okay, so the next step guys, I'll click on deposit and make sure once you deposit on spot wallet. All right, so I'll click on deposit and I'll put amount 500 USDT, and then I'll click get address, and then I'll click copy. I'll copy that address and go to my Binance and click send, withdraw crypto USDT, and I'll press that address here in TRX, and then guys, I will put amount 501.3. okay, because of the 1.3 is a fee, and then withdraw and confirm here. Okay, and now I'll put my passkey very fast. Remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only, unless you do exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, and now guys, I'm putting my passkey, you can see, and the withdrawal is now processing. Here it is processing. So I'll now go back here on my Trexbic, and then I'll click on I have paid. Very easy like that. You can also find this video on my Telegram channel, where I post this video from my YouTube. Okay, there are links on my Telegram channel that you can find, and you will go to my YouTube and watch the videos for free. Okay, I'll also upload them on my TikTok, my Telegram, everywhere. So guys, as you can see, now the deposit is being awaited here. Just wait for the deposit to be detected automatically. At this level, you need to be very, very patient. Okay, just be patient. Be patient, guys. The deposit should be arriving very soon. You can see here it's not yet complete on Binance, so let's wait for it. Still waiting for the deposit to be detected, guys. Remember, trading this type of trades, you need to be patient some time. If you're a person who has a lot of hurry, like me, you know me, I like things to move fast. That's why you see it's still oh, there, you see, deposit credited. Now I should be having 560 and my account is now 561 USDT, guys. So now the next step, I'll now go to crypto. Where is it, guys? I'll go now to trading bots and I'll choose free, and I'm going to use the Pionix Grid Bot. You can see Pionix Grid Bot has done a PNL of 124,583, a ROI of 1.24 per hour, a runtime of 60 days 0 minutes, win rate of 82.00%, a daily earn of 12.45, and a minimum stake you need to stake 30 USDT. So I'll just copy that one and I'll put 500. Okay, and then now the return will be 562. So I'll click sign terms, and the bot now is trading on a live account, guys. Live account, guys. It's not demo anymore. And just check at the charts. The bot is buying here and selling there, and it's running, guys. The bot is running now, and it should be finishing to trade in 1 minute time. Okay, the bot is running, guys. You can see it's buying and selling, it's buying and selling. The bot is buying and selling. You can see here, it's buying and selling on BTC USDT pair. And Pionix Grid Bot, there it is. In 40 seconds it will be done trading, guys, and we will have our earnings to our account. And not our but mine, because I'm the one who is trading here. You need to start so that it can be ours. For now it's mine because I'm the only one trading right now and making this profit. While you just watch this video, I'm very sure you'll watch this video and not do anything because you think everything is a scam. That's the problem with people. 4 seconds to go, guys. 4 seconds, 1 second now. 0, go, finish. The bot should be finishing to trade right now, and the Pionix Grid Bot has just finished trading with a profit of 462.25 USDT. Okay, now guys, I'm going to find another one. I'll choose DCA 3 Commerce, this one, copy it, and I'll put 500 again, and then I'll sign terms. Okay, the bot is also running again. As you can see, the trees, you can see it's buying and selling. It's now trading on Ethereum USDT pair. So finishing in 2 minutes. You see, these bots, guys, there are those that can finish in 2 minutes, in 24 hours, in 12 hours. But since my account has been approved to trade on high limits, on has been processed to trade on high account, high amount, I've been trading. I have trading experience. I have enough trading history in this exchange. That's why you see I can run bots in a few minutes. You can also run these bots in a few minutes. You can test on demo, but remember, guys, you need to have enough trading history in this exchange before they can trust you to withdraw like 100,000 US dollars, like $1 million. You see, they need you to have enough trading history, right? So you can see the stake, the amount, the win rate, and the profit is not yet decided, so it's still trading, guys. You can see it's trading on Ethereum USDT pair, and you can see it's live on this chart here. It's buying low and selling high. This is the best thing, guys, you can watch. Some of you will come watch this video and just leave and not do anything at all, like. And some of you will even text me and say I want to start, and will not start, guys. That's how people. You need to be consistent, you need to trust yourself, you need to risk, you need to do everything to succeed in this life. Okay, 39 seconds to go, guys. 39 seconds, 36 now. You remember the other one, I made 62 profit, and now I don't know how much I'm going to make now until the bot finishes trading. But trust me, the bot will never go into a loss. That is a bet, right? 10 seconds to go, guys. 10 seconds to go, and I'll be cashing out my profit as you watch. If you don't start today, you will never start. So once you see this video, make sure you start now. And I have made a profit of 69.3935 USDT. So I'll just close that and I'll go back here, and now you see my balance is 704 from how much? 562. And the next step, guys, is to withdraw now from spot wallet. Put amount maximum, and you can see I deposited 500. Now I'm withdrawing 609. That's a profit of 109 in a few. Then I'll click continue to address. I'll go to my Binance here, and I will go to USDT. Okay, sorry, I will go to add funds, deposit crypto USDT, and I will TRX copy, and I'll go here, back here, and paste that address here, and re-enter the address. I'm doing this just because to show you that you can trade and withdraw. It's nothing complicated. So they have sent a verification code to my email. I need to take it. So they have sent here. I need to copy it, copy my verification code, and I'll go back here and paste it to approve the withdrawal to my Binance. Very nice, very nice. And the withdrawal is now processing, guys. Processing withdrawal. It's always easy like this. Do not worry, do not hesitate, do not do anything wrong, do not, just be patient. If I click on view on Tronscan here, you can see 609 processing, and the good thing is successful. Remember, guys, this is blockchain on Tronscan. Blockchain will never show fake data, leave alone those people who trade with the fake tokens, showing you millions of fake tokens. This is blockchain. Blockchain will never show fake transactions. This is real, and it's very, very, very real, guys. can see withdrawal in progress. It should be finishing the withdrawal in a few, so that I can show you that I have received the withdrawal on my account. And here it is, withdrawal today 6:32, withdrawal today 12:01. So yes, now check on my Binance if it's approved. Refresh here, and here it is, guys, 609. Just now you can check time and date, and that's how you make the profit, guys. So you remember, you can trade using AI bots, you can trade on P2P, you can trade using futures, you can stake, but the stake right now it's not working. Yes, so thank you so much for watching this video, and may God bless you. Have a lovely new month, and remember to like this video, share, and thank you so much.